How to use green screen in Bigo Live. Want to transport yourself to different virtual backgrounds in your Bigo Live streams? The green screen feature lets you replace your background with images or videos. Let's learn how to use green screen on your iPhone. First, start a live stream on Bigo Live. While live, look for the effects or magic icon, often a wand or star symbol, on your screen and tap on it. You can also access it before going live, like this. Browse through the effect categories until you find green screen or a similar background option. Tap on it. You can then choose an image or video from your iPhone's camera roll to use as a virtual background. For best results, position yourself against a plain, contrasting background. The app will automatically detect and replace it. Adjust your lighting and position for a seamless effect. Green screen opens up a world of creative possibilities for your Bigo Live streams. Transform your broadcasts. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live creation tips.